Well guys, I don't think any of us could be more stoked with how the weekend went. NZO Summer Day Out 2022 went off flawlessly. First day over 2 days, over the Saturday and Sunday, absolutely amazing. All of you coming down from all over the country, the sponsors, everything came together. I mean, the weather, meant to be forecasting rain and thunder. We didn't have any of that. It was fantastic. Ourselves in the Auckland Off-Road Adventure Park have been planning out a few things for a while, and we did it over 2 days for a reason. We won't go into too much detail now, but you'll see in the coming months and next year what we have in place and planning out a few things for especially out-of-towners to be able to join us in something that we could be quite cool. So, massive thanks to all the sponsors. Valentine Collision Repairs, Hulk 4x4, XPLORA, Cut Snake Flares and Accessories, Bad Off-Road, Extreme Gravel Gear, Safari 4x4 Engineering, and ROH Wheels. Couldn't have done without you. You guys that came down on the day was absolutely phenomenal. Got to meet all the customers, meet all the people enjoying their four-wheel drives, and really get engaged. We had Kris from Valentine Collision Repairs cruising around in a Safari. One thing I noticed about Kris, he needs to get a winch on the front of that, because if I have to keep it coming to recovery, you bruv, it's not going to go well. Sean from Hulk 4x4 came down, met a heap of you guys, took him out for a bit of four-wheel driving. He absolutely loved it. Got to meet you guys and hand out some prizes personally. Blake from XPLORA, all the way out from Tauranga, fantastic guy, joined us for the weekend, had a blast in his Triton. I even let him take a drive for the plough. Ooh, he didn't do too badly. I think I had to get you in your own plough, mate. Dale from Cut Snake Flares, up from Nelson. Absolutely phenomenal guy. If you ever get the chance to meet Dale, man, he is the man. Storyteller from back in the day, absolutely great guy, and he really enjoyed meeting all of you. Anthony from Bad Off-Road with Barry was there on the day in the Prados cruising around. They had a fantastic time. And Billy from Extreme Gravel Gear was there in his Jeep. He probably seen it a little bit hard because he's managed to break it, but that's okay, Billy. We won't hold you judge against you on the Jeep there, mate. But really, the whole weekend came together because of all of you and all the sponsors, and the sponsors want to say thanks, as well as from us, to give away some prizes. Now, we managed to do that on Saturday at 3 o'clock as planned. Sunday blew out a wee bit. We had quite a few recoveries and a very serious one. An 80 series went on its side up in the Three Sisters. Bit of a tricky scenario. Safety conscious, we wanted to get that sorted straight away. The owner was fine, that's really good. Not too crazy amounts of damage to the vehicle, so the main thing we wanted to get that sorted. Now Jason, I feel for you, man. That was a beautiful 80 series you've got. I appreciate you coming over 2 days as well. So I just want to say thanks, man, and I hope you get the 80 series sorted soon. Recovery gear for the future, possibly a recovery ring and a soft shackle. So these are yours, mate. Hope you get the Land Cruiser sorted soon, and we'll see you out there again on the tracks. But basically, I'm going to leave it up to Pat now. He's going to do the spinny wheel. He's going to give away all these awesome prizes. The Safari Snorkel. We've got a stainless steel snorkel from Bad Off-Road. We've got some Raptor kits. We've got a heap of spot prizes. We've also going to do the scavenger hunt things on Friday. So for the scavenger hunt, you guys saw all the signboards around the place. Basically, you get a photo with the signboard and your vehicle. Hashtag them all on Instagram or Facebook, and we're going to pick a few winners. Basically, we've got the ROH wheels to give away, a set of those in a 15, 16, or 17, and a pair of Steady Type X Pro spotlights. So that's going to be phenomenal. So one last thing before I forget. Now, we have got a heap of spot prizes still to give away. We want you guys to either come down with your vehicle and tell us about the experience you had over the weekend. We'd love to hear your feedback and see you in person. Or for all of you out of town guys, message us in. Send the photos that you got and tell us what you experienced on the day and what you found you loved about the event. We've got a heap of spot prizes. We're happy to send them out to whoever. Make sure you get in contact with us and let us know. Well guys, nearing the end of 2022, it's been a fantastic year and we've really appreciated your support through the year. We've got some awesome plans for next year, so I can't wait to see you out there. I'll catch you on the tracks and have a good holidays. Cheers guys, see you then.